Welcome to another Wednesday workshop from Dealer On. How comfortable are your customers with buying a car online? A recent survey from Cox Automotive set out to find the answer. One of the most important stats is as simple as it is bad. 52% of shoppers feel anxious or uncomfortable at dealerships, and these stats are worse with younger customers, especially millennials. Before dismissing millennials, it's important to remember that the eldest of them hit 40 in 2020. And by the numbers, they are your prime customer base. If they're unsatisfied with the current experience, you have a problem. There's good news. Millennials grew up with the internet as part of their daily lives, and therefore comfort with digital shopping increases with younger customers. This has extended to automotive retailing. Over half of all shoppers feel comfortable selecting extended warranties and accessories online, yet only a third of dealers offer this option on their websites. The number is growing, but this is a key area where consumer demand is not being met, and potential profit is being left behind. Now more than ever, dealers need a seamless shopping experience on their website that will allow customers to complete as much of the process of car buying online as possible. Dealer On is proud to offer Apex, an integrated digital retailing tool that does all of this and more. Customers can browse your entire inventory, choose a vehicle they love, select from a huge catalog of accessories and F&I products, all to design a payment plan that works for them. Apex gives customers the experience they want and dealers the high-quality leads to speed up the sales process and improve profitability. If you want to see what Apex can do for your dealership, head over to dealeron.com to schedule your free demo today. And thanks for watching.